Can you copy and paste large files quickly? Have you ever wondered if you can copy and paste large files quickly? It's a common question, especially when dealing with big data. The answer is yes, but there are some important details to consider. The speed at which you can copy and paste large files depends on several factors. These include the method you use, the hardware involved, and the software tools you choose. Let's break this down. Copying and pasting large files means transferring data from one location to another. This process can be limited by the speed of your storage devices, such as hard drives or solid-state drives, and the type of connection you are using, like USB or a network. The software managing the transfer also plays a significant role in how fast this happens. Most operating systems have a basic copy-paste function. While it works for everyday tasks, it can be slow for very large files, especially those that are tens of gigabytes in size. If you frequently work with large files, you might want to consider specialized file copy software. Programs like Fast Copy, TerraCopy, and UltraCopier are designed to make file transfers quicker and more efficient. For example, Fast Copy uses advanced techniques like multi-threading. This means it can handle multiple parts of a file at the same time, which speeds up the process. In fact, using such software can sometimes improve transfer speeds by 10 to 20% or more, especially for large files or when copying over a network. These specialized tools also have additional benefits. They can manage errors better, resume interrupted transfers, and handle large file paths more effectively. This can be particularly useful when you are managing big datasets or backups. While the default copy method is fine for most tasks, using dedicated software can save you a lot of time if you often deal with large files. To give you a practical example, if you are copying a file that is 50 gigabytes or more, using a tool like Fast Copy can reduce the time it takes by up to 20% compared to the standard method. However, the actual speed gain will depend on your system's hardware, such as whether you are using a solid-state drive or a traditional hard drive, and the type of connection you have, like USB 2.0 versus USB 3.0. From a digital basics perspective, it is important to understand that file transfer speed is influenced by hardware limits and software efficiency. To copy large files more quickly, consider using solid-state drives for faster read and write speeds. Connecting devices with faster interfaces, such as USB 3.0 or higher and gigabit Ethernet, can also help. Employing specialized file copy software that optimizes the process is another smart choice. This approach simplifies managing files and can make your digital tasks more efficient. So, yes, you can copy and paste large files quickly, but the right tools and methods can make all the difference.